Hi, I'm JJ Flazanes, and I've been a personal trainer for 20 years who, over the last 20 years, has been integrating a mind, body, soul approach for holistic transformation and long-lasting success, not temporary weight loss where you go on a diet or you do a detox, you lose weight, and you do it again, and you yo-yo back and forth all the time. Well, I've taken those same principles and I've applied them to all aspects of my life, from relationships to money to my career, as well as health and wellness. Are you ready for something more than what you're currently living? Would you like to break through to that next level? Like secretly, you know there's a yearning inside of you that there has to be more than this. Life cannot just be this. There has to be something more exciting or better or more fulfilling or deeply enriching, more so than what you're living right now. If that speaks to you in any way, and you're someone who dabbles in or understands or is intrigued by astrology or law of attraction, you believe in something bigger than you, I invite you to come to the next big step, September 20th through the 23rd in Los Angeles. It is a small retreat where we go deep and we commune with each other on a mind, body, soul journey to, again, break through to that next level. Is it your limiting belief that gets in the way? Is it your community that gets in the way? I invite you, if you want something more than you're living right now, invest in yourself and come to the next big step. I promise you will not regret it. How this event is different than other events is you're also going to get 3 months of accountability coaching in order to take these breakthroughs and integrate them into your life. Because information without integration is kind of useless. If you know something and you're not living it, who cares? It has to actually be in your life on a regular basis to say you actually know it and you live it. So if you struggle with knowing lots of things, but you're not able to integrate and live those principles that you know, come to the next big step. If you can't make it to Los Angeles, buy a virtual ticket. You will still get 3 months of accountability coaching, and you can watch and participate in the events after the event is over in the comfort of your own home or while you're traveling. So I invite you to ask yourself, really, is everything okay, or do you want a little bit more? If you do, join us at the next big step. I hope to see you soon.
I am Lisa Thomas, and I am an inherited energy expert. And that means I have the honor of working with the body's energy system to release inherited traumas and fears and phobias. It also means that I have the privilege of working with talented people across the world to release these inherited blocks so that they can get their gifts and their talents out into the world in a bigger way. Now, are you someone that deep within you, you know that there's something more for you? Well, if so, then join me at JJ Flazane's event beginning September 20th, where I will teach you how to do this, and we will release together inherited blocks like procrastination, scarcity, and that deep feeling of unworthiness that's holding you back from stepping into your power. I'm looking forward to meeting you.
Hi everyone, my name is Jeannie Peters and I'm the Nutrition Director of the Nourishing Wellness Medical Center in Redondo Beach, California, and I specialize in helping men and women develop effective eating strategies for fat loss, hormonal balance, and energy balance. And I've got a special invitation for you. But first, let me ask you, are you riding the hormonal roller coaster and you feel like your energy is up and down? Or are you suffering from weight loss resistance and just can't seem to get rid of that belly fat? If you're looking for some answers, I invite you to a special seminar that's happening this September called The Next Big Step. It's hosted by my pal and colleague JJ Flazanes, and I'm going to be specifically teaching you some ways in which how you can eat to get your body back into balance and to feel that sustainable energy that will support you throughout the day. And if you're the type that likes to learn better in a supportive group, then I invite you to join me, and I hope to see you in September.
Hey there, Melanie Benson here. Super excited to potentially connect with you at JJ Flazane's Next Big Step event. So what are we going to be talking about? JJ's asked me to come and talk about the mindset of being a high earner. So I've got 7 mindset shifts that I walk my clients through when they want to earn more money. Each one of them has a huge shift inside of it. And we're going to talk about one of the most pivotal ones, which is moving beyond the flying by the seat of your pants and really learning how to dig a little bit deeper and create a plan that's guaranteed to bring you consistent, predictable income. It's one of my specialty areas, and I love teaching this process, and I'm super excited to help you with that at JJ's Next Big Step. So hope to see you there.
Hi there, I'm Chris Burns, host of Becoming Your Greatest Possible Self, weekly 12-hour live stream personal development marathon and podcast, and co-founder of Burn It Up Coaching, where our clients hire us to get unstuck and increase their performance so they can build a better business and make a bigger impact. And I'm going to be at the Next Big Step event this September with JJ Flizanes, and it is going to be amazing. Why? Because if you feel stuck, if you feel like you've been self-sabotaging, if you feel like you're lacking clarity, then we are going to get clear on your goals, on your next steps, on your process. What is that destination, the ultimate place where you want to go, and how do you break that down into bite-sized steps so that you can easily know if you're on track or off track and achieve and accomplish your most important goals. So that's what we're going to set you up to succeed with at this event. The Next Big Step this September. I look forward to seeing you there, and have the best day ever.